Culver Mobility, a company revolutionizing urban transportation with their sleek and innovative electric vehicles. Culver offers a diverse range of personal mobility solutions designed to combat the challenges of urban congestion. Their electric bikes and scooters are not only lightweight, but also powerful, providing an efficient and eco-friendly way to get around the city. The Culver vehicles feature state-of-the-art lithium batteries that offer impressive range and rapid charging capabilities, allowing you to get to your destination quickly without worrying about running out of power. With added smart technology, such as app connectivity, riders can track their routes, monitor battery levels, and unlock their vehicles with just a tap on their phone. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a scenic ride, Culver Mobility's products are transforming urban commuting. The iSaunter e-scooter, a powerful and long-range electric scooter designed to provide a smooth and efficient ride for daily commuters. What sets the iSaunter apart is its ability to tackle not only smooth roads, but also more challenging, uneven terrains. Its high-quality suspension system ensures that bumps and cracks in the road don't compromise your comfort. This scooter is perfect for those who need to travel long distances, as it boasts an impressive battery life and a robust motor that can handle uphill climbs with ease. The iSaunter's sleek, modern design is paired with foldability, which means you can easily store it in smaller spaces, making it ideal for people with limited storage options. Whether you're heading to work or exploring your neighborhood, the iSaunter e-scooter is built to deliver performance, durability, and convenience in one stylish package. The Pumper Car Luxe is a perfect choice. This three-wheeled electric vehicle offers the convenience of an electric scooter, but with the comfort and features of a high-end car. With its luxurious interior, including leather seats, advanced climate control, and cutting-edge infotainment systems, the Pumper Car Luxe is all about providing a premium travel experience. The vehicle's compact size makes it ideal for city streets where traffic congestion is a problem, but it doesn't compromise on comfort or style. Thanks to its efficient electric powertrain, it's also a green alternative to traditional gas-powered cars, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to travel without sacrificing quality. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or simply want a fun and comfortable way to get around, the Pumper Car Luxe combines elegance with sustainability to offer the best of both worlds. The Minson Skate Bike offers an exciting new way to experience personal transportation by combining the agility and freedom of a skateboard with the stability and functionality of a bicycle. Its design features large, skateboard-like wheels that allow riders to carve through the streets with ease, making it perfect for urban commuting and short trips around town. What makes the Minson Skate Bike so unique is its ability to navigate through tight spaces and make quick turns, just like a skateboard, but with the added benefit of a more stable ride due to its bike-like frame. Whether you're taking sharp corners, riding through parks, or even cruising on a bike lane, the Minson Skate Bike provides a fun, thrilling experience for anyone who enjoys the freedom of movement. It's a hybrid of two popular pastimes, skateboarding and cycling, designed to give riders the best of both worlds. The Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Darache offers an innovative and practical solution to bike touring. This compact camper is designed to attach to the back of your bike, allowing you to carry all the camping essentials you need for an extended journey. Whether you're cycling across the country or just going on a weekend adventure, this lightweight camper ensures you can enjoy the freedom of biking without compromising on comfort. The camper is aerodynamic, reducing drag, and its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport when not in use. With enough room to store a tent, sleeping bag, and cooking equipment, it's the perfect companion for bike tourists and outdoor lovers who want to camp while traveling. The Travel Bike Camper redefines bike tours, offering a seamless and sustainable way to explore the world on two wheels. The Ono cargo bikes are the perfect choice. These electric cargo bikes are designed to handle large cargo, whether it's groceries, parcels, or even children, making them an ideal solution for both families and businesses. Ono cargo bikes are equipped with large storage areas and can be customized to fit different types of cargo, from large bags to even boxes. The electric motor assists with pedaling, which makes it much easier to carry heavier loads or travel longer distances without getting tired. Plus, it offers better maneuverability than a car and is more eco-friendly. Whether you're delivering goods for a business, picking up groceries for the family, or simply need to haul a few items, Ono cargo bikes make it easy to transport almost anything with minimal environmental impact. The Tris bike is a versatile electric tricycle designed for riders who need extra stability while still enjoying the benefits of an electric bike. Featuring 3 wheels, this bike is ideal for individuals who might feel uncomfortable on a traditional 2-wheeled bicycle, such as seniors or those with limited mobility. The Tris bike provides a smooth and stable ride while offering the added benefit of an electric motor that helps with pedaling. This motor makes it easier to tackle long distances, hills, and more challenging terrain, which would otherwise be difficult on a regular tricycle. With its ergonomic design, comfortable seating, and easy-to-use controls, the Tris bike is perfect for both leisure rides and more serious commutes. Whether you're looking for a way to get around town or simply want to enjoy a relaxed afternoon ride, the Tris bike combines convenience and comfort in a way that makes cycling accessible to everyone. The Razor DXT Drift Trike is a fantastic option. This electric trike is specifically designed for drifting, allowing riders to slide around corners and navigate through turns at high speeds. The 3-wheel design features 2 rear tires that are equipped with drift capabilities, giving riders the ultimate thrill as they zip around on smooth streets or hilly terrain. The Razor DXT Drift Trike is perfect for those who want to have fun while commuting or enjoy recreational rides. Its powerful motor provides quick acceleration, and the heavy-duty frame ensures a stable ride during even the most intense drifting sessions. Whether you're an experienced rider or just someone looking for a fun way to get around, the Razor DXT Drift Trike brings high-speed excitement to personal transportation, all while staying safe and in control. The Van Rame Fun 2Go Duo Bike is an innovative tandem bicycle that allows 2 riders to enjoy cycling together, side by side. This electric bike is especially beneficial for those who have limited mobility, as it's designed with accessibility in mind. Whether you're cycling with a partner, a friend, or a family member, the Fun 2Go Duo Bike offers a fun and inclusive way to experience the joy of biking. The electric assistance helps both riders climb hills and tackle longer trips with ease, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride for everyone. The side-by-side seating arrangement is perfect for those who prefer to interact and enjoy the outdoors together while still having the benefit of a bike ride. It's a fantastic way for people of all ages to share the experience of cycling, whether for a leisurely ride or as a practical means of transportation. The Z-Triton is an electric all-terrain tricycle built for outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore rugged landscapes. With its large off-road tires and powerful electric motor, this trike can easily handle difficult terrains, such as mountain trails, sandy beaches, or even snow-covered paths. The Z-Triton is designed for riders who want to go beyond the pavement and experience nature up close. The 3-wheel configuration offers added stability, making it perfect for adventurous riders who want to explore remote areas or difficult trails. The battery provides extended range, ensuring that you can cover large distances on your journey. Whether you're an adventurer looking to explore the great outdoors or simply need a reliable vehicle for off-road travel, the Z-Triton delivers an exciting and comfortable ride no matter where you go. The VOOC e-Trike, a sleek electric 3-wheeled vehicle that combines comfort, stability, and environmental friendliness. The VOOC e-Trike is designed with the rider's comfort in mind, offering a smooth, stable ride thanks to its 3-wheel design. It's perfect for people looking for a reliable and accessible alternative to traditional bicycles or cars. The trike is powered by an electric motor, which helps reduce physical strain and makes it easy to cover long distances with minimal effort. Whether you're commuting through the city or just taking a leisurely ride, the VUC e-trike is an excellent choice for anyone who values comfort and sustainability without sacrificing performance.